Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering essential files and confirming Xenia's build. You need a legal Xbox 360 game dump and the emulator's keys/firmware. Put them in Xenia's config directory. Once done, launch Xenia briefly to let it create its folders and check logs. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date and Vulkan or D3D12 support is enabled. These initial steps prevent format and permission errors later, so do not skip verifying file names and extensions before moving on. You now load the game and tune settings for stability. Open the ISO or default. Zex in Xenia. If the game is a folder, point to the correct executable. Once loaded, adjust the graphics backend to Vulkan or D3D12 based on your GPU, set resolution scaling, and enable game-specific patches if required. Next, set CPU thread flags and pick an audio backend that reduces stutter. These changes improve compatibility and performance, so test quickly and iterate until the title boots reliably. You finish by running the game and validating playability. If it boots, test major areas like cutscenes, menus, and gameplay. Save and restart to confirm stability. If you hit errors, read Xenia's log for codes and try common fixes. Toggle shader cache, switch backends, or use a different emulator build. Make sure to reproduce the issue consistently before changing more settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if the emulator crashes on launch, clear the cache and try a different backend. That resolves many common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.